Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PayPal security key and login verification step by step clearly. To configure your PayPal security key and login verification, begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the settings icon, typically represented by a gear symbol. In the settings menu, look for the security tab and click on it. Locate the two-step verification section within the security settings. Select the Edit button adjacent to the two-step verification option. Here you will see various methods for two-step verification. Choose Security Key as your preferred method. You may need to download and install the PayPal app on your mobile device if you haven't already. Once the app is set up, return to the PayPal website. Click on Setup next to the Security Key option. Follow the prompts to link your mobile device to your PayPal account. This typically involves generating a security code from the PayPal app. Enter the security code on the website to confirm the setup process. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification that your security key has been activated. Next, you can choose whether to turn on login verification to enhance your account security. For login verification, ensure that the Require Login Verification option is enabled. This will prompt you for a code every time you log in from an unrecognized device. Review all the settings to ensure they meet your security preferences. Finally, save your changes and exit the settings menu. Your PayPal account is now configured with enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.